Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. Right now my portfolio is worth $44,051.93. This year has been an amazing year for me. Year to date, I'm up $11,943.98. That's 37.20%. Compare that to a year ago, I'm up $9,818.25. That's 28.68% compared to a year ago. So I lost a lot of money in 2021, but this year, oh my goodness, it's going so well so far. There are some few things I want to talk about that stand out to me, and one of them is Amazon. So they reported their earnings recently, and the graph doesn't show this because it happened after hours, but what happened was initially the share price jumped up to like over $120 per share, but now it's back down to 105 as you can see. But honestly, I'm okay with that because as you can see, the covered calls that I have for Amazon, the strike prices I chose were $100 and $110. So it's not going to make any difference to me whether it's 120 or 111. You know, anything over 110, these shares will get called away. Anything over 100, these shares will get called away. So I'm okay with the fact that it's back down to 105. If anything, I might start some more covered calls on Amazon. But that's something I'm thinking about. Another thing I want to point out is SoFi. I have a lot of shares of SoFi, 6,000 shares actually. And on Friday, after hours, it jumped up another 3.93%. Which is not that much, but because I own so much of it, hold on, let me see if I could, yeah, so that day's return on Friday, I made $2,520, that's 6.93%, and my total return so far is over $5,000, right, 15%. So my SoFi position is doing really well. Other than that, I have all these other covered calls that I'm selling. Most of my portfolio is covered calls now. So I've got some Amazon covered calls at $110 and $100. I've got a C 47.5 covered calls, Disney $110 and $100 covered calls, LUV $35 covered call. And like I was saying before, I've got a lot of covered calls with SoFi at the $5, $6, and $7 strike prices. And I still have some spreads here. Disney 60-70 call debit spreads and PayPal 50-60 call debit spreads. Both of which are, they're above their break-even prices. So for my Disney call debit spread, the break-even price is $68.15. Right now, Disney's at over $100, so it's well above the break-even price. So that's doing well. And my other call debit spread, PayPal, the break-even price for this spread is $57.51. PayPal is at $76. So again, this is above the break-even price as well, so it's doing well. Overall, this year has been amazing for me. I'd like to see how you guys are doing. Let me know down in the comments if this year has been good, if it's been bad. I know it's been bad for people who invested in certain things. Man, there are some things that are doing really bad. Have you seen what happened to FRC, First Republic? What's funny is I actually applied for a, what was it called? I forget the name. Not exactly a regular loan. It was more like a line of credit. Yes, I actually applied for a line of credit at First Republic Bank and got denied. Well, they might not even exist anymore. If we look at the 5-year, they're down 97.52%. In the past year alone, they're down 98.48%. So they're dropping down to pretty much nothing. It was $147, now it's at $2.31. That's disgusting. But yeah, I'm staying away from it for now. I don't own any shares of FRC, but it's crazy. I've been watching it, and it surprised me over and over again about how low it can drop. I don't think I want to get my hands on it just yet, if ever. I already have my position in another bank, which is Citigroup. Citigroup is a bank stock, so I have about 200 shares in Citigroup, and I'm doing covered calls on that. But that's the only type of like banking stock that I have. Other than that, I'm mostly just staying away. And my stocks, the only stocks that I have are just the shares that I'm using for collateral for my covered calls. That's pretty much it. Amazon, Disney, SoFi, Citigroup, and Southwest Airlines. This one, it's not jumped up yet. It's been going down for the whole year, as you can see. It's clearly downward trending. I think they'll survive, but we'll see what happens. And that's pretty much it for my portfolio. Other than my portfolio, I've kind of been focusing a lot on another YouTube channel. Maybe I don't want to reveal what it is just yet, but I've been getting hundreds and hundreds of subscribers in the past month. And I've been investing a lot of my time and energy into that. So it's been going well, and it's paying off. Hopefully I can get that one monetized as well. I can see a lot of potential in that. But, you know, sometimes I'll still make portfolio updates like these, even though they make only a couple cents. I already made a video showing how much money I made, depending on the type of video. And these type of videos don't make anything, pretty much. But the other videos that actually do make me money on this channel, they're not really repeatable for me because I don't do those things anymore. I don't do Amazon Flex anymore. I don't really use PayPal, you know, that much to buy things. To be honest, I rarely ever buy things. I'm a very minimalist person. I try to save money a lot, so that's just me. But yeah, I've been doing well outside of just my stocks. Like in general, things have been going well financially for me. So I hope that continues throughout this year. This year is, like I said, I'm up like almost $12,000 this year so far. And if this keeps on going, hopefully I'll be at over $20,000 profit by the end of this year. That's what I'm hoping for. And I'm so glad too, because I lost pretty much all of my money going all in on Baba in 2021. And this year, I'm bouncing back, and I'm bouncing back hard. You know, I'm already at 44,000 again. I'm really grateful for that. Sometimes, man. Anyways, I just wanted to make this update so you guys can see what's going on, you know, what positions I have, things like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.